Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will know whether Samsung Galaxy A14 has dual SIM or not. Okay, so let's check it. Go to the left side of our phone and insert SIM ejector tool and take out of the SIM tray. Take out of the SIM tray. And yes, here you are seeing two slots and two SIM cards are inserted in my phone, so it has dual SIM. So in this way you can easily verify. Also dedicated memory card slot is given here. Okay, I have inserted one SD card, that is memory card, in this slot. So two SIM card slots and one SD card slot is available in this phone Samsung Galaxy A14. So you can understand that Samsung Galaxy A14 is dual SIM enabled handset. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.